Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Cecilia de Faro Perez and I'm going to explain voiced sound. Voiced is a sound produced when the vocal cords are vibrating. A voiced sound is in which the vocal folds vibrating, and a voiceless sound is when in which they do not vibrating. Okay, now place your hand on your throat over your vocal cord while making a humid sound like a um, vibrating your vocal cord because is a voiced sound. And the other side, voiceless sound, for example, your vocal cord do not vibrate for the sound f or as you see in this picture. Okay, but you must add the voicing for the sound or v or d. 3 4 are voiced sound because vibrating when you say that. And as you can see in this chart, the voiced sound are those one. Okay, bye.